Hey guys, so recently an artist called Redemp Salvadori reached out to me asking if I could help him with his track. So I want to show you through my process of what we created. So originally he just sent me the rap over a beat, not a great recording, but a great rap. And we turned it into this. So the first thing I did was isolated the vocals with a AI tool called LOL AI, and this way I was able to get the beat separated from the vocals, added some compression, some EQ, a delay, and reverb. Vocals isolated sound like this with the post-processing, and then I added some backing vocals that sound like this, and with the same processing. So, and then we got the final product.
ما كاش لو فيديو جديد رابي وش نحب انني قام فري عمرهم في الديب تاكسي ميكس تو الديل ما عندما تحت كناش حتى يتجري لايك عندي يقول باس ما دونت جيف فاك اذا ما فيها تشات باكو كيف هو يلعب هداد باباكم يسالوا بعيط لي